Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're gonna do a ride around. We are at Glacier Ridge Metro Park and it is located in Dublin, Ohio. I am using the GoPro Max and I got it on the 360 view. And here we go. There's a lot of green. Starting off, there's two trails. This is a multi-use trail. And then to the left, there's another one. But I'm just gonna go straight. I just wanted to stop and show you guys. Hopefully with the 360 view, you guys can look at the stuff that's on the left and right side of me. But they have a challenge course. And they have a dog park. I'm not gonna go into the challenge course because I'm not allowed with the scooters, but I'll just show you guys what they do offer, and it's on this sign right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not, but they got a frog jump, a cargo limp, a tree hop, a up and over, a rope climb, a over under, a stunt jump, wall climb, tunnel crawl, balance, ring swing, and tire run. Oops, I said those all backwards. It starts with the tire run and ends with the frog jump. But it's pretty cool. I've been here before, but I didn't do the camera on it. But if you guys can probably see, I don't know. It's probably too far off in the distance. But there's just trails everywhere, like they break off. And now we're about to go. I think there's a dog park. I'll show you guys a dog park. My scooter turned off on me. I don't know why. Probably tired. But the dog park is this way. There's a dog park, and then there's a disc golf, and there's another trail. Here's the dog park. Looks pretty big.
They got all kinds of cool little like obstacle course things.
Yeah, they got some obstacle courses.
And then over here they got hoses.
Yeah, so you can hose them down and stuff. So it's a cool little park. If you've never been here, you might want to come check it out. It's in Dublin, Ohio. Glacier Ridge. Glacier Ridge. It's a metro park. But it just feels really good out here.
They got their own water fountain. Let's go. Did you shut it off already?
No, because we're not done.
Okay.
We
Go
got
over here and look at the play area.
There's another trail. Play area. Another trail, and then there's another play area. And then a shelter house, and then there's a bathroom. Yeah. We're probably gonna go in a little bit because it's getting packed, and I know a lot of these parks really don't like scooters. There's some benches right there, and then here's another trail, and then